Good morning! Happy Friday! Friday na naman! Tingnan niyo itong asawa ko. Kasi lagi ko nakakalimutan kainin yung salad. So may panood siya. Eat your salad. Kasi ngayon siya mag-expire. Pero mamaya pa tong lunch kasi maaga pa eh. Breakfast muna ako. Ito yung binili namin chicken Caesar salad. Yan. And it will go off today. 22nd of November. Pero kain muna ako ng breakfast, guys. Ayan, katatapos ko lang mag-breakfast. Lilinisin ko yung aking keyboard. Tsaka yung, pwede din ata to sa screen. Nagamit ko na to noon. Galing siya Yes Style. Siya? Keyboard cleaning rubber. Siya? Parang dumidikit sa kanya yung mga alikabok. Kaya nalilinis yung, natin, keyboard natin. Siya, guys? Para siyang, ang tawag dun, slime. Para talaga siyang slime. Ganito siya, oh. Diba? Slime na slime. Sarap paglaruan ito, napaka-slimy niya. Matagal ko na hindi nagamit. Nagamit ko to once. Tapos nakalimutan ko siya. Nag-declutter ata ako nun. Tapos nakita ko to. May hinanap ako. Hinanap ko yung yung glasses ko ba? Yung isa kong glasses na gray. Hindi ko mahanap-hanap. Ito yung nakita ko. Kaya sabi ko, gamitin natin. Hala, bakit ganun? Sobrang dikit niya. Parang hindi ko naalala na ganito to kadikit. Grabe siya kadikit ngayon. Hala, sana wag to dumikit sa keyboard. Agoy. Na-expire ba to? Ayan na yung slime, guys. So, ginaganon siya sa keyboard. Tapos nalilinis naman talaga siya. I should do this more often. Kasi, nakalimutan ko siya eh. So, ilagay ko na lang siya dito sa counter para nalilinis naman talaga siya. See, kasi yung mga ilalim-ilalim, hindi nyo niya nakukuha yung mga alikabok, diba? Tapos lalo na dito na ako nag-edit sa table na to. Kita-kita talaga yung alikabok kasi malapit tayo sa natural lighting. Open na open. So yan, maganda yan. Panglinis ng keyboard. Sa Yes Style ko to siya na kuha. Ililive ko yung link nito sa description box. Pero hindi naman siya kailangan Yes Style talaga bilhin. Basta mag-search lang siguro kayo kung wala kayong Yes Style. Though yung Yes Style, talaga siya, international talaga siya. Pero basta, maghanap lang kayo. Keyboard, nga ulit pangalan nun? Keyboard cleaning rubber. Ganyan. Pwede nga siguro slime dito yung mga gumagawa ng slime. Try nyo lang, hindi ko sure Try nyo lang. Try natin sa screen. Okay ba sa screen? Wait sa. Parang dumumi yung screen Joke lang, guys. Huwag nyo gawin sa screen. Keyboard lang talaga siya. Joke lang. Huwag nyo gawin sa screen. Ayan, okay na siya. Tapos, hindi naman siya malagkit. Hindi talaga siya malagkit, guys. Ito lang. Malagkit ito para makuha niya yung mga alikabok. Pero, hindi naman lumalagkit yung keyboard. Kakatapos ko lang mag-edit, guys. Mga malapit na mag-1 ng hapon. Kakain na tayo. Kainin natin to. Tingnan nyo siya. Mag-expire siya ngayon, 22nd of November. Hala, may oras? Char! May oras talaga siya. Alas 5. Kain tayo, guys. Kainin na natin to. Guys, katapos ko lang maligo, sila nandito na sa bahay. Aalis daw kami. So, napabihis ako ng bilisan. Pupunta daw kami sa malapit sa beach. Meron lang siyang property na pupuntahan doon. And gusto niya ako isama. Para na daw kumain na din kami sa labas. Naglalagay lang ako ng sunscreen. Ito pa din yung gamit ko yung VT Cosmetics na Sun Pact. Available siya sa Yes Style. Kung nahihirapan kayo hanapin siya. Kasi yung VT Cosmetics hindi siya available sa kung saan-saan lang Meron siya sa Korea kasi Korean brand siya. Pero online, meron silang website online. Kaya lang, hindi siya English. I think you can translate naman. But it's easier if you buy it sa Yes Style. Kung gusto niyo lang naman, ililive ko yung link niya sa description box. Hindi ko to sa Yes Style nabili Pinadala talaga to sa akin ng VT Cosmetics. Pero, kung gusto niyo siyang bilhin, meron siya. Available siya sa Yes Style. So, ililive ko siya sa description box for you all. Maganda siya kasi meron talaga siyang cooling effect. As soon as na ganyan, lumapat siya sa skin mo, meron talaga siyang cooling effect, guys. Maganda siya. Gusto ko siya. And meron siyang SPF 50 PA, 3 pluses. Diba? hindi ko din alam sa akin. Mas gusto ko talaga yung mga pa-cushion-cushion or mga pag-ganito na klase na mga sunscreen, sunblock. Kasi meron naman ako ng Bello na tinted sunscreen. Kaya lang light siya sa akin, guys. Ang weird ng ng skin tone ko. Kasi hindi naman ako like, morena ako, pero hindi ako super dark. Pero ang daming shades na kahit na darkest shade na siya from a brand, sobrang pa din siya sa akin. Sobrang light pa din siya sa akin. The Bello, it only works kapag sobrang konti lang yung nilagay ko. Tapos pre-ned ko lang siya. Like, hindi ko pwedeng lagyan yung forehead ko. Kasi, kitang-kita talaga na light talaga siya sa skin tone ko. Lalo na sa forehead area. So far, yung mga nakikita ko nag-work sa akin is ito, yung Cali Touch for M Collagen Cushion. I-leave ko din to sa description box kasi gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. May kamahalan siya pero gustong-gusto ko siya. I-check ko kung meron siya sa Yes Style. Kasi pinadala to sa akin ng Caris eh. If meron, i-leave ko siya sa description box. Pero yan, gustong-gusto ko yan. And then yung VT Cosmetics kasi ubos na yun. Ito na yung ginagamit ko. Maganda din kasi siya. Tingnan nyo. Gamit na siya. I'm not sure if you can see it properly. Pero meron na siyang like malaking dent sa gitna kasi pahid pa more. Ginagamit ko siya lagi talaga. And suot-suot ko pala yung contacts na lime yung shade. Okay lang naman pala siya. What time do we leave, babe? What time do we leave?
Half an hour from now.
Oh, really? Okay. So, yeah. Good haircut, my love. Nagpaano siya. Pagupit. Kaya lang nakahubad siya. Hindi natin siya ma-vlog. Tingnan nyo naman itong aking gwapong asawa. Who's gwapo?
Me.
Look at him. Nag-ano ako, nag-t-shirt lang ako kanina, ba diba? White t-shirt. Tapos biglang, sabi niya, I'm gonna wear this. I know, sabi ko, uy, kailangan ko magpalit. Bakit may puff? Bakit formal ikaw ngayon?
Exactly.
Sabi ko, magpapalit ako, magbe-blazer ako. No, because when you told me you're wearing that, I was like, well, I need to change. I can't wear a t-shirt with you wearing that. You look good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ganda nito. This is from H&M.
Is it from H&M?
It is, yes.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. I saw the tag. Bilhin natin sa Melbourne, right? Yeah. Maganda yan. Bagay na bagay sa kanya. And he's losing weight as well. Char! Nafe-feel niya kasi sa niya ba? Sa pants niya sa work. Kapag na-adjust na yung ng belt hole. Hole is that right? Belt hole. na niya daw, guys. Lumiit na daw ng konti. We're slowly getting there. Slowly but surely.
Yeah, so Raz, 3 weeks time, she's in the Philippines, I'm 4. So I've got 4 weeks to lose as much as I can.
Yes.
And then I can put it on all in the Philippines. After Boracay. I'll try and be reasonably good and then...
Before Boracay?
Yeah.
And then after Boracay? Yeah. Oh my goodness, we're so close. 3 weeks na lang, guys. Ang bilis ng panahon, diba? Like when I vlogged today, I was like, oh, happy Friday. Can't believe it's Friday again. So in 3 weeks, I will be on the plane on the way to the Philippines. You will be left alone, my love.
Yep.
Will you be okay?
Oh yeah.
Alam niya, nagpa-practice na siya parang niluto. Alam niya. And he's sick of capsicum. Sabi ko na nga ba, darating yung time na nagsasawa na talaga siya, guys. Ayaw na niya yun. Sabi niya daw, yung chicken daw na ginawa ko. Now I have to come up with like other lunch ideas.
Chicken to work. Chicken and that.
Yeah,
that's
the
good.
chicken with the cream cheese and other cheese.
Yeah, and a bit of broccoli. That's good.
Yeah. Broccoli on the side. I'm gonna think about the other.
What about sausages?
Sausages? What do you want to eat? The sausages with just veggies?
Yeah, just some sausages and veggies.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
The sausages.
Yeah, I can do that. Easy.
They won't. Yeah, I don't know. They should be alright.
Yeah,
the police.
Police? What's going on
I
here?
know. After you.
Police?
Police.
I'm here.
Some weirdos.
Police.
How embarrassing.
Ooh, two police cars.
What happened?
What's happening? You're so nosy. Just go, Danny.
No, I'm just checking it out.
Chismoso talaga siya, no? Are you a chismoso?
A what?
Nosy.
Nosy.
Very nosy. Anyway, we are heading to Glenelg.
Yep.
Yes, may pupuntahan lang kami. Can I say it? That we're going to this property of yours? Not his, but like, basta. Pupunta kami doon.
It's not even a property. I wouldn't call it a property.
It's not a property. What is it? Just
Water. It's
just water.
water.
Really?
Well, it's not really. It's just you park a boat there. It's not.
That's what we're looking at.
Yeah.
I thought we were looking at something else.
What do you think we're looking at?
It is not job related.
Not
It is
job related.
personal.
It is personal.
Yeah. Nagtitingnan lang kami, guys. Nakalimutan ko. Oh yeah, you mentioned that before. Nakalimutan ko. Can I tell them?
Yeah.
Meron kaming what do you call that?
Marina birth.
Marina
Birth.
birth? Like birthday?
No. B-E-R-T-H.
B-E-R-T-H, birth.
So where you park a boat.
Yeah, meron kaming ganyan. Pinapaupahan namin siya ngayon. Char, makakami naman ako. Pero yeah, meron siyang ganyan. It's ours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nagagalit kasi siya kapag sinasabi ko akin, pag sinasabi ko kanya, kasi lahat daw shared. So yon, meron kami noon. Pinapaupahan namin siya, and we're thinking of selling it, right?
We are selling it.
Yeah, we are selling it. We are selling it, guys. Ito pala yung pupuntahan natin doon, babe. Okay. Parang nakita ko na to before. Hindi kasi namin siya pinupuntahan. Parang ano lang, yung rent pumapasok lang sa bank account, alam mo yun. Pero ngayon, gusto namin ibenta. Kasi, why are we selling it?
Because it's not. We're never going to use it. So might as well sell.
Yeah, kasi wala naman kaming boat. That's
We
right.
bought it 2 years.
2 years ago?
Not longer than that. 4, 5.
Yeah, because I think you already have this before
I did.
before me. Yeah, so matagal na to sa kanya. So ibebenta namin pala. Okay. Will someone buy it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I hope so.
Bilhin niyo, please. Please buy it. Just kidding. Totoo, hindi din naman kasi namin siya gagamitin. Wala naman kaming boat. Why did you buy this?
Because we're going to put a boat in it.
Oh.
And it's in such a good location that it's. Yeah.
Okay.
No boat now.
You were thinking of buying a boat as well?
Yeah.
Really? For what?
Fishing.
Wow.
I used to do a lot of things before I met you. Now you don't let me do the things I used to do.
Whatever, don't.
Hashtag just saying.
Over.
I
Dear.
used to read a lot. I used to.
Oh, Danny, stop it.
I did.
Read a lot.
I did. Fine.
So you don't want to buy a boat anymore?
We might buy a boat, but we'll put it at Rocky's holiday house.
Yung kuya niya bumili ng ano. Can I tell them?
Yeah.
Yung kuya niya bumili ng bahay, bumili ng holiday house. O diba? Char! Tapos para daw sa buong pamilya. So, pwede kami pumunta, right? We can go.
Exactly right. We'll go there.
Pag natapos na yun, punta agad kami mauuna. Ipapayos pa ng kuya niya. Kasi ano, parang bahay na talaga siya. Pero yung kuya niya kasi may pagkama-arts. So, ayaw niya tumira dun. Or ayaw niya puntahan. Pupuntahan niya, pero hindi daw siya magsistay doon hanggat hindi siya fully renovated. So, ipapa-renovate niya. Tapos, para daw sa lahat. So, bongga, diba? Pupunta tayo doon, guys, kapag ready na yon. When will it be ready? Next year?
Probably, yeah, February, March next year.
Yo, diba? Dito na kami, guys. Nandyan siya. Hindi ko alam kung saan dyan, pero nandyan siya, guys. So, let's go out and check it out. Ang init sa ano, car kanina. Kahit na may AC, parang tumatama yung init sa kamay ko. Kaya dinaon ko yung ano ko. Sleeve ng blazer ko. Blazer pa naman ako do. Pero mahangin kasi. Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo mahangin eh. So, okay lang. Okay lang ko ng blazer. Kanina lang. Oh, diba? Mahangin. We're here. Which one? Di mo alam? Sa'yo ba talaga to? Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. So what are we gonna do here? Sige. Take some photos pala. Okay. Okay, dito kami sa kabilang side, guys. Picture lang si Danny Boy. Ala, oy. Wait sa, babe. Bababa tayo. Okay. So which one? I do not know. Picture lang siya ng picture. Sabi niya, same lang naman yung lahat eh. Take a picture of this one, an empty one. Push mo yan, babe. I can't hear you. Nakapasok kami guys kasi may pumasok kanina tapos sabi ni Dan, pwede pumasok.
It's a good spot, this one.
Yeah, dito guys, yung amin. Yeah.
We reverse it out that way, so you don't have to worry about...
So, yeah, oh, maganda tong area na to, oh. Makaka-access ka, easy access. O,
Yeah,
diba?
it's good access.
Right, my love? Buy it, people. How much, my love?
How much?
How much?
36.
36,000?
Million pesos.
Ayan guys, murang-mura lang ha. Bilhin nyo na. Murang-mura lang. I'm selling it for you, my love. Guys, kung siniswerte nga naman talaga kami, hindi kami makalabas. Buti lang nakakita ako ng tao dun. Siguro mga nandito na kami 10 minutes na sabi ni Dad. FF. Hindi namin alam na kailangan din pala key palabas. Wala kasi kaming key dito. Wala naman kasi kaming boat. Pinaparentahan lang namin yung ganito. Tapos sabi namin kay kuya kanina nung pumasok, sabi pa ni kuya, may boat ka ba dito? Sabi namin wala. Meron lang kaming pinaparentahan na yung berth nga. Tapos umalis na siya. Hindi niya naman sinabi na kapag wala kayong kay, hindi kayo makakalabas. Buti na lang may tao doon. So pinuntahan ni Dan. Papunta na sila. Oh my gosh! Sobrang kinabahan si Dan doon. Kasi paano, hindi ka makakalabas eh. Walang labasan. Kailangan mo lumangoy dyan. How are you, babe?
I'm fine. I would have jumped in the swamp.
Oh, you won't. You won't
I would
jump.
if I had to. I would.
No.
Tell you what.
Just water.
I'd run and jump and make it halfway. Or even there, I'd run and I'd fall in the water. But
I think I can climb here.
You can't climb.
I can. Like on the side. Here, like a spider. Papunta na si kuya. Grabe! Hindi talaga siya ma-open. Lock siya.
Good security.
Yeah, very good security. You can't go out. Dito tayo kakain. Ramsgate Hotel. Ang ingay dito, may background music pero ang sarap tingnan ng akin lemon bitters. Kawawa si Dan, hindi siya pwede lemon lime kasi sugar. In fairness sa kanya, oy, he's doing really good. Kasi nung nag-ano tayo, when we went to the tower, nag-order siya salad. Siya na talaga. Ngayon, yung orderin niya pork ribs. Look at this, guys. Ang laki-laki. Tingnan yung kamay ko. Pork ribs and then salt and pepper.
So we'll share.
Mag-share kami ni Dan. Hindi siya pwede nung nung wedges.
Wedges are?
You can have salad.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, so salad yung kay Dan. Akin yung lahat ng fries. Ooh, you do not know what's in that dip. Ano ba yan? Pahirapan ko sa'yo, babe. Is it good?
Yeah.
Ooh, the fries. Good. Pauwi na kami, guys. We're heading home. Plano sana namin, after namin kumain, pupunta sana kami sa market. Kaya lang, sabi ni Dan, let's just Netflix and chill. Is that right, babe?
That's right.
Sinabi ko sa kanya, nag-usap kami kanina. Sabi ko, how lucky are we na someone was there. Sobra.
Worst case scenario,
What are you gonna do, swim?
jump in the water.
Oh no, no way.
You'd have to.
No, call someone. And
Who?
open. I don't know.
Who
Just,
are you gonna call?
are you seriously gonna jump in there? We will look like we just did something wrong. Why did we jump? You know? Yeah. Kapag nag-jump ka dun, baka akalain maninakaw kami. Kaya we're trying to escape. No. Maybe like, I don't know, call someone and, I don't know. Who are we gonna call though?
Don't call anyone.
Sobrang talaga, guys. Buti na lang talaga. Sobrang swerte namin na merong tao dun. As in, my gosh. And he was like leaving as well. So if he just left early, no one's gonna be there.
Yeah.
Buti lang talaga. Nakita ko, sabi ko, may tao, babe. Ang bilis talaga rin na naglakad. Pinuntahan niya yung boat ni kuya. Hindi kasi namin alam na lock pala siya sa loob. Nakakaloka talaga siya. Kmart muna tayo.
Decorations.
Is that Chaka? No, it's alright.
I don't know much. You don't know it's Christmas.
Ang daming reklamo nitong taon to. Punta muna tayo Kmart, guys. Pupunta kami ng Kohl's. Bibili kami ng pang-breakfast bukas. Pero, Kmart muna tayo. Kasi magkatabi lang naman sila. It's a mug. Check the big D, my love. Big day. Sige, open it. Ano ba yan, babe? Fail naman to siya. Check the big D. That's nice. Yeah.
Nice color.
$3. Ako? We're pretty much the same, babe. Not really, but like, I have a nice color as well. Tingnan natin.
Mine's better.
Yeah, yours is better, my love.
What do you reckon?
Philippines.
Did I get that?
Hey.
Serious?
Okay. You look good. Sure. We will never lose you, my love.
Thank you.
Easy to find.
I like it. I'm getting it for Philippines.
Borit.
I am.
Okay, whatever. Borit ni mo. Ano yung mga nakasale na t-shirt? Lah, agay nahulog. Hindi ako naghulog yun. Ano ba yan? We're home! Manonood kami mamaya ng Money Heist. Mag-ano lang ako, magsi-skincare and all that. Pero sa Kmart nakabili kami nito. A for Arning. Para kay Papi. Nakasale kasi siya. Lagi akong tumicheck sa hats, diba? From $7 to $4. Ayan. Kapag ako pumupunta ng Kmart, yung tinitingnan ko yung mga nakasale. Kapag malapit na talaga ako umuwi, doon ako bumibili ng mga full price. Diba? Trick yan, guys, para makatipid. Kasi bakit mo siya bibili ng full price kung mabibili mo naman siya ng sale, diba? Pero, kung full price, wala na talagang choice. Full price tayo. Pero kapag malapit na tayo doon. Bacon from Kohl's. Mag-skincare lang ako, guys. Magbihis na din ako. Kasi mag-Netflix and chill lang kami. Ano ngayon? Gabi na. Siguro mga 8 something na, pero maliwanag pa din. Sobrang liwanag pa kasi summer na, guys. Ganyan talaga dito kapag summer na. Sobrang tagal mag-dilim. Maliligo na naman siya. Manonood na kami, guys, ng... Hala. Okay. Yeah. Sexy naman ang daning boy ko. Pero mag-ano muna ako. Magmamask. So, nakapag-skincare na ako. Meron na akong toner, tapos serum, tapos moisturizer. Now, I will put on this mask. Ano siya? Olive Natural Skincare Mask. Ito itsura niya, guys. Ayun! It is from Natural Skincare Plant yung sabi. Season 2, episode 2 na yung papanoorin namin ngayon. And siguro marami kaming mapapanood. Tingnan nyo, hindi pa din completely dark outside, but it's already, what time is it? 8:24 na, guys.
But sometimes things get ugly.
Is that it? Wait, so. How many episodes did we watch?
9, 3, 4.
Mga 3-4 yung episodes na pinanood namin, guys. Pero yun na yun! Tulog na kami. Yun na yung vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video kung nagustuhan nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Bye. Good night.